हमको आतंकवाद से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। हम नहीं डरेंगे और अमरनाथ जी की यात्रा सफलतापूर्वक पूर्ण करेंगे।
Amarnath Yatra isn't just a journey of distance, but of devotion. As every year, thousands of pilgrims brave treacherous trails and tough weather to visit the holy cave shrine. But in the shadow of the snow-capped peaks, darker forces have tried to sow fear by aiming not only at innocent lives, but at the soul of India. I'm talking about July 10, 2017, when a bus carrying Amarnath pilgrims was ambushed by Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists in the Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir. 8 pilgrims were killed and 18 were injured in what became the deadliest attack on the Yatra since 1990. The attack was orchestrated by Abu Ismail, a Pakistani national and senior Lashkar commander. Before targeting the bus, the militants fired on an armored police vehicle and a checkpoint, then surrounded the bus from 3 sides and opened fire. Notably, the bus had violated a key security rule as it was still on the highway after 5 pm because it was delayed reportedly due to a flat tire. But amid chaos and bullets, the bus driver, Sheikh Salim Ghafoor, emerged as a hero. He drove the damaged vehicle nearly a kilometer under fire and saved dozens of lives. 2 months later, Abu Ismail was killed in a swift encounter by Indian security forces on the outskirts of Srinagar in a joint operation led by the Army, CRPF and JNK police. Ismail had been involved in over 15 terror cases, including multiple attacks on security personnel. 8 years later, terror returned. More brutal, more calculated. On April 22, 2025, terrorists opened fire on a group of tourists in the Baisaran meadows of Pahalgam, killing 26 civilians and injuring many others. It was the first major civilian attack in Kashmir since the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, and it sent shockwaves across the nation. In response, India launched Operation Sindoor, a large-scale offensive to dismantle the terror networks behind the massacre. But fear did not win. On July 9, 2025, as the Amarnath Yatra resumed, thousands of pilgrims once again took to the path of faith. Their hearts were steady, their belief unshaken.
जो कुछ समय पहले हुआ था उसके बाद थोड़ा डर तो था क्योंकि मैं अपने परिवार से अकेले आई हूँ, मेरी फैमिली घर पर है तो थोड़ा डर था। लेकिन यहाँ जैसे ही आए, मैंने उन्हें वीडियो कॉल किया, सब दिखाया तो सबको बहुत सुकून मिला कि नहीं, बहुत सुरक्षा है और उनका भी मन है कि अब हम भी आएंगे, हमारी भी अर्जी लगा कर आइएगा।
हर हर महादेव। अहमदाबाद गुजरात से आए और अभी अमरनाथ जी की यात्रा के प्रथम तबक्के में भगवान भोलेनाथ के दर्शन करने के लिए जा रहे हैं। हमको आतंकवाद से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। हम नहीं डरेंगे और अमरनाथ जी की यात्रा सफलतापूर्वक पूर्ण करेंगे।
Therefore, despite the threats, despite the wounds, the Yatra continues not just as a religious journey but as a defiant expression of India's spirit. Thus, you can see, terror may strike with bullets, but it cannot pierce belief.